What's up, boys? Handing the keys off to my boys in Mexico. They're gonna get a few runs in. Quick breakdown. This is a Gerzy Stage 1 Supercharged TL Type-S. This is a P31 C63. That's just long tube headers, exhaust, and an off-the-shelf tune from Eurocharged. This should be making like 400 wheel, maybe like low 400s to the wheel. This should be making closer to 500 wheel. Better transmission, a bit heavier, I think. We'll see what happens. Nice, man. I promise that actually was not me. I'm just out cruising around in the Z. The TL and the C63 are still on their way back, getting imported from Mexico. So the boys in Mexico sent me the video. As you guys saw, the C63 still pulls on the TL, but for comparison's sake, I'll throw in clips of the first race of the TL and the C63. For any of you guys that haven't seen that one, maybe you can appreciate how different this result was. I'm thoroughly impressed with that thing. To be completely honest with you guys, I thought that the C63 would pull harder on it. The C63 being an NA car, I think some people don't really think it's all that quick. I promise you guys, it's a quicker car than you'd think. It keeps up with cars that it shouldn't, in my opinion, so it's not a slow car by any means. If the C63 was stock, I think the TL would walk it, to be honest with you. Genuinely, man, I'm really impressed with the TL. For what it is, man, it's a stage 1 kit. It rips. In my opinion, it's a set of bigger injectors and a smaller pulley away from absolutely walking away from the C63. I think the plan, if I'm honest, before I do any pulley or fuel upgrades, I think the move is just to 6-speed swap it. I think that is kind of what the car is missing. The auto's not bad. You know, it obviously it works with the auto, like it's quick. I just think the gearing's not the best, and 4th and 5th are overdrive, to my understanding. Definitely feels like it anyways. And, you know, it's not pulling the same in 4th and 5th as it would in, say, a manual 4th and 5th. The next big thing for the TL will be 6-speed swap, and that'll probably come after this thing's done. So once this thing's done and built and boosted, then we'll probably move on to the TL 6-speed swap. This thing 100% is gonna walk both of those cars. It's just a fact. In my opinion, man, 370Zs are underrated, but in comparison to the TL and the C63 right now, like, this thing feels so slow. The TL would put a football feel on this thing right now. The TL and the C63 are on a different level for now, but this thing will definitely walk both of them at some point. So today we're going back to my house. We're gonna go install a set of new headlights on my buddy Nick's white 350Z. You guys have probably seen it in the videos before. It's the white 350Z with the Nismo front bumper, and he actually just got Nismo side skirts. It's got the Nismo V1 wheels as well. And the only thing about that car is the headlights are just janky. He picked up a set of new headlights, and we're gonna throw those in, and it's gonna look a million times better. Like, just wait for the transformation. It'll change the whole look of the car. We're gonna go do that, and I'm gonna get out of here. See you guys at the house. It's actually weird to me how much less less trumpety the VHRs are. Like my G has a very like trumpety exhaust, which to be fair, I actually like the sound of EQs. Like, call me crazy, but I like the sound of EQs. I always have. But my G sounds a lot more trumpety than this thing, which is crazy because this has a Tome, which is like notorious for being the super loud like trumpet exhaust and whatever. No, this is a good car. I can't wait for it to be making some jam. It already feels like a great car. It just doesn't. It's not fast, but you can definitely tell it's like a nice like driver's car. So I'm excited to see what it feels like with some power. Dusty. Sorry, Fark. But that's dust.
It's yellow.
It's gonna be the most uncomfortable thing.
Right.
You got some track time on these puppies?
There's a cat with thumbs in there and it tried touching my.
That happens from time to time.
Is it recording?
We gotta get this pizza ASAP. Now we're cooking with gas. Bag secured.
What do you got? AGs?
Yes, sir.
AM, GTS, 350Z, Nismo edition, Garage.
It looks pretty
D
sick.
Nismo.
Oh,
Hey.
yeah.
Oh yeah, and the 370.
Hell yeah, brother.
It's great. It's a stacked fucking house.
It is, man. It's like a little show. Does that sound like an M3? Oh, it doesn't. I didn't mean to say that. Oh, this looks pretty without the bumper. Oh, it's all connected still, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we have to go through the fender liner, actually, I think, to... There's one clip. I think...
Cut!
What is it? Is it xenon?
Yeah.
It's just power.
Fuck, these headlights are horrendous. Now that you're finally taking them out, I can admit that I've never liked you because of these headlights.
Some jackknob said, put the most complex clip where nobody can get to it. Take that, I'm gonna break it.
Jordan went to college, he'll know.
I college.
Did this guy get it?
Oh my god!
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Hold it up like.
I don't want to touch that thing
The
again.
end of an era.
Oh my god.
The definition of piss.
Listen to that.
Do some ASMR with it. Hold it.
Oh my god, dude. Brutal. What is that? Doorbell?
Solenoid.
Oh.
That's exactly what it is.
This saran wrap looks so dirty.
Something about Z headlights that just emanate yellowness.
Good.
Hey.
It's working.
Woo. Hell yeah. Damn. Dude, what a difference. I mean, we gotta clean it, but...
Show the side by side, dude.
Holy crap, man. Look at on camera. Look how bad it looks. I shut the lights off for a sec so you can get the true yellow. Oh my god. Oh my god, man.
Graphene ceramic, baby. Hit him with the horizontal.
Easy.
PNS?
Yeah.
Really good stuff, isn't it?
Yeah. Got the Nismos all cleaned up. Got some tomato sauce on my shoe. Need a Jay-Z sitting right there. Or honestly, dude, just a Turbo D. Like,
Or VHR. I like VHRs a lot. Now especially after driving yours.
oh yeah. Looks so good. Why does it look so happy now? Looks like it's really happy to have new headlights.
I had cataracts before.
Big reveal, big reveal. Ooh,
Boy.
sheesh. Huge difference. It does look really happy though on the camera. It's just weirding me out a little. I just came down this random road, but look at this view, man. I love just like going for drives out in the middle of nowhere. It's so nice. Anyways, boys, I'm probably gonna end this video here. Appreciate you guys watching. Next video, I kind of want to do a bit of a review with my buddy Jordan's M3, the white one. It's got, you know, it's got a few things done to it, and it's a super fun car to drive. It's the car that made me love M3. So let me know what else you guys want to see. Any mods to the TL, any mods to any of the cars. Like, let me know what you're looking to see. And other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.